I stayed at White Oaks Resort and Spa in Niagara-on-the-Lake, and in this video I'm going to share an honest review of the visit. I'm going to cover my room, the resort's condition, amenities, food, and more. After seeing this place, I do think it deserves the title of resort, which I was skeptical of. Let's get to this tour. Hey, I'm Latoya and welcome to my channel. This space is all about travel, locks, and living your best life, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more. White Oaks is a short drive from all of the wineries in the Niagara wine country and only 11 minutes from Niagara Falls. It's directly in front of Canada's largest open-air outlet center. This hotel is elegant and well maintained from the rooms to the common areas. The fresh flowers throughout are a really nice touch. Let's start in my room and then I'll show you some amenities, including the very impressive fitness and racket club. My room, carpet, and furniture were clean with luxurious touches. I didn't get the ick at all. There was an espresso maker, fridge, and nice little workspace. The quality linen and duvets made for such a nice sleep, and the quality on these robes were pretty nice too. I recently started watching this YouTuber Walk with Tim, and he always requests a mattress encasement, so I did the same and I actually got one put on. They confirmed at the front desk. It's just a zipper case that goes around the mattress and reduces the chances of bed bugs, and bed bugs freak me out. The washroom, like the rest of the room and hotel, felt so clean and fresh. Rain shower head. Nice toiletries. I don't think I've ever had a TV in my hotel bathroom. I didn't use it, but I like the idea of it. Here's the directory. The resort is full service with a spa, restaurant, cafe, state-of-the-art fitness center. Also, the staff are just top-notch. One of the most unique features of this resort is the expansive fitness facilities. Let me show you. There are 8 squash, 2 racquetball, and 6 tennis courts. On the second floor here, you'll find the strength equipment, and on the third floor, it's all about cardio. There are group classes and you can book private lessons for a fee, of course. They are not kidding when it comes to performance here. This is the Children's Activity Center where you can bring your kids while you go for a workout. The website says the rates are $10 per 2-hour visit. The indoor pool is salt water and there's a small hot tub. There is a chlorine smell in here though. And of course you have a very convenient towel service, plus sauna and steam rooms. For food, there's Live Restaurant, Play Bar and Grill, and a cafe. Let's take a look at Live, where breakfast is being served. On offer are the typical breakfast items. You have your omelet station, boiled egg, bacon, sausage, toast, fruits, cereal. I have never seen a lash extension spot in a hotel, but here it is. The spa offers a wide variety of services from facials to body scrubs. I attempted to book too late and they were full. That's all for the tour. This will definitely be my new spot when staying in the Niagara region, especially because the hotels closer to the falls just aren't great. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more, and see you in the next video. Peace!